Well, why don't you go try and work at Long's?
You ain't got no carrots? What are those, prunes?
Boy, and carrots. Like broccoli.
I am in the mood for carrots. I need me vitamins.
Boy, and carrots like spinach.
I want spinach. I'll ask you for spinach.
So? Why, he didn't say so. For you, each $1.
How much is the broccoli?
Nickel, maybe dime.
And the spinach?
Dime, maybe quarter.
Then how come carrots is $1?
$1.50. You buy what I don't feel like selling, it costs you $2. That bit, that. This is a nickel.
I can't afford Snapple.
try. What you see and what you feel is just a mirror of your image. Happy trails, have a nice day. If we feel, we still don't say. No one listens, no one cares. It's all ego, it's all ego. It's all ego, it's all ego, it's all ego, it's all ego. Now I'm tired, overdone, here I go. Now I'm fucked, stuck around, here I go. That did nothing about you. Show me that you're really different. See me naked before your eyes. See me. Is that why you're terrified? Baby cry, apple pie. If you listen, I would try. What you see and what you feel is just a mirror of your image. Happy trails, have a nice day. If we feel, we still don't say. No one listens, no one cares. It's all ego, it's all ego. It's all ego, it's all ego, it's all ego, it's all ego. Go!
Just like always, Kevin is fresh baked daily.
I had a feeling we'd talk once more. I had this dream that I walked through the door. Gonna smash the camera, smash the camera. Camera, that's camera. Hey. the next morning with my face to the pillow. Stumble down the hall and crash my fist into the wall. Right to knock your picture down, you stab me in the face. I hate that look, I hate that look, I hate that fucking picture! No more pictures!
This program for a Budweiser news update.
Some fast cameras! Fast cameras! Fast cameras! Fast cameras! Hey!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire!
I'm really starving, so what do you got with the chicken special?
I'll tell you what you get. You get 3 pieces of chicken, some fries, and okay.
People wanna make the ball, people wanna pick your bomb. Trouble, trouble, fuck that pain. The rules upon me with no shame. On my tricycle, at the age of 5, used to be a blind from monkey laughing in his crap. Monkey half the car, monkey half the girl. Monkey has the stuff that you can have and you can touch. Choke up, rhetoric swaying, chemicals make you drown. The sea, traveling salesman, thinking in the tree, but they're sticking
Something else you do very well.
Come on down! You're the next contestant.
He may not be Mr. Right, but he is certainly Mr. Smooth.
Hi, your dad told me you were going to work on bunting practice today.
Sleeping in the garden of your dreams. That was a little while ago. Was it?
Where'd you two take this elevator from, Shangri-La?
I was supposed to be a boy named Thomas.
Me.
I'll get him. No talking behind my back.
This is so rich, so flavorful. It doesn't lose its flavor in cooking.
How shall one say, Director?
Too many notes, Your Majesty.
Exactly. Very well put. Too many notes.
I don't understand. There are just as many notes, Majesty, as are required, neither more nor less.
This one goes at the border. Hey! Traveling in the pride of Bombay. And the speed rail had full of Bombay. I met this strange lady. She made me nervous. Took me in and gave me breakfast. And she said, do you come from the land down under? Where women glow and men plunder. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. Fine bread from a man in Brussels. 6'4" and full of muscle. I said, do you speak my language? He just smiled and gave me a Vegemite sandwich. Do you come from the land down under? Where business flowing and thunder. Can't you hear the thunder? Yeah. Take cover. Stop it. Lying in a denim Bombay. Looks like you're not much to say. I said to the man, how you try and tempt me? Because I come from the land of plenty. And he said, I come from the land down under. Oh, yeah. Where women glow and men plunder. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. Better run, better take cover. Oh, Marco just farted. Living in the land down under. You better take cover. Oh yeah, 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 yeah,
Ah, what'd you do that for?